Hi guys, welcome back to another breakdown video. Apologies that I haven't been posting as much. After COVID we had a festival, and then the next few weeks we've been kind of busy with other training projects, and there's been some scheduling issues, and we're gonna do a breakdown in the meantime when we're not able to meet. I mean, me and Natalie. But anyways, some of you guys actually have been requesting the breakdown to come back, so here it is. As usual, we're gonna play the whole move in a normal speed and then one more time slowed down. So let's get to it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, slow down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna stop at this point. So let's break it down, starting with the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you prepare a turn, just like a normal turn, but you have this in mind. First of all, you want to finish the turn by 6. You want her to come face you by 6. And let's slow this down. At this point, look, when she's facing the same way as him, he starts to put his hand on her right side, on her right shoulder blade, and this will let her know that like a duck turn is coming. 5, 6, and then she's just going to come down, like collapse, and then come up, and it needs, like, the connection needs to start when it's even before 6, when she's facing the same way as you. And at this point, this is 8, he will keep his hands down, and this is important so that she doesn't keep ducking, or if you stop the momentum there, and then on 1 they're gonna both step to his right and her left, sort of. And the important thing to note here is he's not going to send the energy that way, but he's gonna send the energy up. As you can see here, the hands, both of their hands are up so that they don't continue to that direction. But also the lead will keep the hands in between the two. So it's not, the hands are not here in front of the lead or even too far back for the lead. It's going to be in the middle so that both of them keep their balance. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just a normal step at that point. Now let's break it down for the followers. At this point, the turn, you don't know at this point what kind of turn this is. This could be just a left hand turn, but the momentum that he will give is a bit more so that you will finish the turn faster. But here's also what you need to start to feel when you're at this point. This is even before count number 6. You're going to start feeling this connection on your right shoulder blade. And what that should tell you is that there's a duck coming. So what happens here is she has finished the turn, she's facing him, and then she sees that, oh, there's this hand that I need to duck under. So what you do is you just collapse your chest like this and then come up. That's all you're doing. But you're going to like follow the momentum, and your body's going to change. So you're going to start here, and then you're gonna turn, and then you're gonna come up like that, just with the body. So at this point, both of them, their frames already facing out. So you will know that if you're not just gonna do your basic to your right, but because of this angle, your basic is the first step is forward, and then you're gonna feel that the energy comes up. So this is the next count. You will just, with your left, you're just gonna step where you were, and then step again, and then tap. Basically, that's just a basic step. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Next week or maybe next video will be another tutorial with me and Natalie. And so keep an eye out for that. And if you have any video requests, just leave a comment. And then yeah, please like, share and subscribe the video, and I will see you in the next one.